Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2022 Ford Maverick XLT. Coming in this nice azure gray coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 2-liter Ecoboost engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities. We do get the tow hitch receiver with backup camera. We do get a soft rolling tonneau cover. Keeps all your stuff nice and dry. We do get an all blacked out trim on this vehicle, keyless entry keypad, nice looking mirrors, and moving to the front, we do get that lovely Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, floor mats, carpet interior, plenty of door space in the back with some nice orange accents, USB, USB-C, 120 volt, a hook and doodad. And of course you can fold this out for cup holders and arm space with under seat storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a manual driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, lights, all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 128,591 kilometers. Got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle-free screen, voice, phone, and media, volume mute, cruise control. We do get trip 1, my view, audio, phone, other settings. To my right, we got our gear select, parking brake, drive modes, traction, auto hold, auto stop, auto start. Plenty of storage with USB, USB-C, and a 12 volt. Your center console with tons of more storage. We got your climate controls right here, storage below, and on the dash you even get a little storage cubby right beside your infotainment system with audio, phone. For your audio you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth. You got your phone controls with any apps you may download will show up right in here, and you're set to just Bluetooth, Ford Pass, General, Android Auto, ambient lighting, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RE51232A, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.